Here I have ZTE Blade V7 Lite. Let me show you how to enter the meta mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power button and let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as ZTE logo pops up. As you can see right here, the device is in the meta mode, so now you can use this mode, or you can simply quit it by pressing the power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power button. Release power as soon as phone goes black, and now you can press power key again to switch on the ZTE smartphone. Excellent, the device is turning on. Excellent, the normal mode just pops up. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.